Welcome to the largest coconut milk processing facility in the region, where fresh coconuts are transformed.
All right, keep it moving slowly. Watch the barrier on the right side.
Every coconut arriving here starts a carefully controlled journey into fresh, creamy coconut milk.
Move the next pallet to line 3. Keep the coconuts coming.
Keep it moving, bring it right up to the line.
Before anything is opened or pressed, every batch is checked, counted, and moved into the receiving line.
Easy, easy, bring it back a little. Okay, drop it right there.
Quality control begins right at the truck, where damaged coconuts are removed before they reach the production line.
They are moving smoothly into the hall. Perfect. The next station is ready for the volume.
Once inside, the coconuts enter a controlled processing zone designed for speed, hygiene, and consistency.
Move that one to the reject bin.
We need more hands on the grade A lane over here.
Every coconut is inspected by trained workers, so only suitable fruit continues into washing and extraction.
Found a hairline crack, moving it to the red bin. All right, next one please.
From this point forward, the coconut moves through a synchronized system of cleaning, opening, pressing, and packaging.
Send the large ones down lane 3.
This one's damaged, put it in the red bin.
We monitor the flow from here to ensure quality control.
Clear lane 4, moving the rejects now. Hold the next crate, B. We have a backup on the line.
Even small fibers and surface debris are controlled before the coconuts enter the high-pressure wash.
Check the pressure on the far side.
Looks good, but the flow rate is a bit slow.
High-pressure water removes soil, dust, and loose husk fibers before the coconut reaches the cutting line.
Brush speed seems optimal here. Yes, they are coming out very clean now.
After washing, each coconut carries a clean, wet surface ready for the next preparation stage.
Watch the flow rate on lane 4. Copy that, adjusting now.
Clean coconuts now leave the wet zone and move toward the machines that remove the outer husk.
Send this one back, still got some fiber here. Make sure it goes through the high pressure rinse.
Once cleaned, the coconuts are staged in controlled hoppers, so the next machines receive a steady supply.
Check the next one, it looks a bit rough. This one's clean, the spacing is better.
This machine removes the tough outer fibers, so the hard inner shell can be opened more precisely. Tyranny. The precise alignment here is critical. Once the rollers grip the husk, the fibers are torn away with
The final dehusking pass removes stubborn fibers, so each coconut is ready for clean shell opening.
Clear the fiber bin on machine 7.
They are moving to the trimming stage now.
Even after automation, careful hand trimming helps prepare the coconuts for precise cutting.
So this is where the sorting happens.
Yes, the optical sensor checks each one before it moves to the cutter.
Now the cleaned and trimmed coconuts move into the cutting section, where the hard shell is opened.
Keep an eye on the alignment at the input chute. We had a jam earlier.
Depth looks consistent across the board.
Yeah, the sensor light confirms it's optimal.
The scored shell opens under controlled pressure, revealing the fresh white coconut meat inside.
We route the clean halves to the extraction line, while the others are diverted for water collection and drying.
Inside the hard shell, the clean white coconut meat becomes the base for rich coconut milk.
Watch out for fragments on this batch.
Okay, this half is rejected.
The liquid released during opening is collected separately, while the coconut meat continues forward.
Everything is running smoothly at the diversion point.
Agreed. The quality control looks excellent on the main line.
With the shells opened and inspected, the factory now begins removing the white coconut meat for milk extraction.
Watch the alignment here.
Okay, I see it. Adjusting now.
The extraction rate is holding steady. Quality check confirms low breakage. After extraction, workers carefully check the coconut meat to keep the milk clean, smooth, and consistent.
And this is the critical split point where the fresh meat is diverted away from the hard shell byproduct.
These clean coconut meat pieces are collected in food-grade bins before being rinsed, trimmed, and reduced in size.
This is the untrimmed piece, and as you can see, this is the clean white flesh after the membrane is removed.
Removing the brown membrane helps create a cleaner, smoother base for high-quality coconut milk.
The trimmed coconut meat now moves into cutting machines that prepare it for efficient milk extraction.
Check the sample tray, the thickness looks good.
Okay, maintaining current speed.
Uniform strips help the shredder create an even coconut texture for better milk extraction.
Sample coming through. Particle distribution is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Maintain current speed.
The grated coconut is now evenly distributed, so the press can extract rich, creamy milk from every batch.
Particle consistency is good. This lot is approved for processing.
At this stage, the coconut has been reduced into fine, moist shreds, ready to release its creamy milk.
It's starting to feed into the press.
The flow rate looks balanced.
The shredded coconut now enters the extraction system, where pressure will separate rich milk from the pulp.
Initiate compression sequence. Monitor gauges 1 and 2 for stabilization. Each press chamber is loaded evenly, so the coconut releases milk with maximum efficiency and consistency.
Check the flow rate on line 3.
It's holding steady at 500 liters.
The extraction process is precisely controlled, ensuring optimal pressure and a stable flow rate.
Transparent inspection tubing lets operators confirm the coconut milk is flowing smoothly before filtration begins.
Ensure the flow rate is steady.
Yes, controller confirms target velocity. Operators test the first milk stream to confirm flow, texture, and freshness before it moves deeper into processing.
Check the pressure on line 3. Looks good. Cycle almost complete.
After extraction, the coconut milk enters a sealed filtration area designed to refine texture and remove fine particles. Centrifugal separation helps refine the milk by improving smoothness and removing remaining fine impurities.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Reading steady at 50 PIs. Batch label scanned.
This sample shows how filtration turns raw coconut extract into a smoother, cleaner milk base.
The gauge reading is stable now.
Good, let's log it and monitor the flow rate.
Fine particles captured by the filters are removed carefully so the milk stays smooth and consistent.
As you can see, the flow rates are stable. Now I'll switch the route to the main blending tank here.
Inside the blending hall, refined coconut milk is balanced, mixed, and prepared for heat treatment. Measured additions are controlled carefully to keep the coconut milk stable, smooth, and consistent in every batch. Pasteurization uses controlled heat to support product safety while preserving the milk's creamy quality.
The pressure is stabilizing now.
Yes, the flow rate looks good on the tablet too.
After heat treatment and homogenization, every batch is sampled again to confirm quality before packaging.
Now the processed coconut milk enters the final preparation zone, where packaging begins under strict hygiene controls.
So this is the final quality control stage before bottling.
That's correct. We ensure everything meets the premium standard here.
Every batch is tested for texture, color, and consistency before it can move toward packaging. Before filling starts, sanitation checks confirm that every contact surface is clean and ready.
Get the rest of that foam down this drain here.
Okay, I'm on it.
A final rinse clears the line so packaging can begin in a controlled, clean environment.
Okay, approval confirmed.
Let's get the line running smoothly.
With quality approval complete, the packaging line prepares clean containers for fresh coconut milk.
Check the alignment on lane 3.
Looks good now, moving clear.
Filtered air clears each container before coconut milk is added on the filling line.
Check the alignment on lane 3.
Looks good now, keep it moving.
Inside the sterile tunnel, containers stay protected as they move toward the filling heads.
All lanes stable. Confirm readiness for filling.
Confirmed. Signaling the operator.
The filling carousel is now ready to deliver measured coconut milk into each clean container. In this protected zone, clean containers meet the finished coconut milk for the first time.
Levels look good. Confirmed.
Each container receives a measured fill, keeping every finished product consistent from start to finish.
Caps are sorted and delivered automatically, so every filled container can be sealed immediately.
After sealing,
Labels are applied with precise alignment, so every container looks ready for the shelf.
Now the finished coconut milk moves from individual containers into grouped packs ready for shipping.
Alignment check on lane 3.
Confirmed. Running smoothly now.
Flat cartons are folded around each group, turning finished containers into strong, transport-ready cases.
Watch the merge point right there. Yeah, I see the misalignment.
Each sealed case receives traceable production codes before it leaves the packaging line. Case alignment looks good on lane 3. Confirmed, flow is steady now.
Before palletizing, operators confirm the cartons are sealed, coated, and ready for shipment.
Clear for the palletizer. Roger that.
The finished cases now enter the warehouse zone, where they are stacked, wrapped, and prepared for dispatch.
Palletizer 3 is running at full capacity.
Looks good. Check the tension wrap on pallet 2.
Stretch wrap locks each pallet into a stable load for safe storage and delivery.
Make sure the Dallas shipment is prioritized at loading bay 2. Scan the manifest.
This facility operates with military precision, moving thousands of pallets of coconut milk every.
Final scanning confirms each pallet is matched to the correct shipment before loading.
The efficiency here is remarkable. How many pallets can you load in an hour?
With the new system, we average around 30.
Easy now, set it down right there. Looks good. All clear, come on back.
From raw coconuts to finished cartons, this shipment is now ready to leave the factory.
All clear. Drive safely.
Clear on the left. Watch your turn radius. See you tomorrow.
This is the complete journey of coconut milk, from whole coconuts to a finished product ready for homes everywhere.